got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know your girl been gone for a while, but you see this? I'm here, okay? But as you can see by today's title, we're doing a takedown video of these faux locks. And yes, your girl look ratchet, ignore it, because I already started taking out some of my locks, so we're just gonna continue this, okay? I don't know if y'all guys noticed, but I've started taking out some of my locks already. So this is as far as I made it. I've been doing this for 2 weeks now. Don't judge me. But we're going to continue this because we got this. Maybe. So I just want to show you guys real quick up close how my hair is looking. It's dirty, a lot of TMI, but this is the real deal, guys. My hair is dirty. Then again, I went to the beach about a few times and I have not washed my hair since I put these locks in. However, I did refresh the roots of them, like the first front row and the second row maybe, but that's how my hair is looking. So I'm just going to tie away my natural hair around and then begin to take down these locks in the front. So I'm just going to start with this lock here. I cut the end of this lock, not cutting my natural hair because I'm measuring it. My natural hair is about armpit to brow strap length, so that's safe. So I went back to the end of my lock and I began to tug it down, unraveling it, and then I believe I got stuck in this area, so I had to cut it again. But to do this, I just twist my lock in the opposite direction that it was wrapped the first time, and I just slide the scissors underneath it and cut it again. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I began to get frustrated because it was not coming loose. So like I said, I just cut it where I feel fit and I begin to unravel it again. Make sure not to cut your natural hair. Like I said, twist the lock in the opposite direction. This is going to free up the lock a little bit and you can just proceed to cut where necessary. So this is taking a little long, so I'm just about to speed this up real quick so you can get the idea. So after a long, stressful 3 minutes, I finally reached to the top of this lock, and goodness gracious, I have a million more to go. But for right now, we done this first one. gel that I used to install these with. And I don't remember exactly which gel it is, but like, yeah. I know it's like a TMI and like a EU, but like, sheesh. So of course in this hairstyle, even though it's protective, you're going to have some shedding because your dead hair has not been shedding since your hair was wrapped with these faux locks. So I lost a bit of hair, but that's expected. So let's go. To cut my hair, all of the locks, all at once to make life easy for me. So all I have to do is grab one and start unraveling it. So this is a tip you can add into your routine as well. I am back and it's 9:02 and the front of my hair is basically as far as I made it. That's it. And I'm not gonna lie, I did take some breaks, but this take a long time, guys. So I'm just gonna loosen up this last one for tonight and I think I'm gonna resume this in the morning because I'm tired. So let's do this. So this is all the hair out and I am tired. So what I'm going to do is secure my hair in this top knot. Hey guys, I just want to add in some pointers for this hairstyle and then when taking it down. I did take a couple breaks when taking my hair down, so this is why I'm not finished yet. However, this process is very long. I'm not even going to kid with you. The same amount of time that you sat and got this in, it's the same amount of time it's going to take you, or shorter, to take this out. So go get your teacups, your drinks, your water, alcohol, your beverage, whatever. Your movie, because I wish I was watching a movie, which I was, but I wasn't filming. Because you're going to need it. But don't cut your hair. I didn't cut when it's necessary because my locks were about waist length. I cut to bra length. That's where my natural hair falls, or somewhat like that, because my hair be growing in sections and things. Struggle. But it's very important to not cut your hair. But like I said before, in order to take down the lock, if your lock is lower than your natural length, and if not, then just unravel it in the direction that the hair was not wrapped. Slide your scissors underneath and cut it. And then as soon as you do that, it should loosen up a section of the hair that's wrapped in that area. And just pull it down. And if it seemed to snag on something and it seemed to get stuck again, do the same method again. But I will see you guys in the morning when my hair is finished. And I'm going to give you some tips on what I do to my hair after it's all taken down and looking crazy. So, see you guys in the morning. I know I look deplorable in the face department and my hair looks deplorable, but we're going to ignore that. So guys, I'm just about finished my hair. This is the last lock. I am so excited. But what you guys didn't see was me cutting my hair. And I don't even want to talk about it, but be careful guys when you're taking this hairstyle. The hair does get caught onto your natural hair, and because my natural hair is black, I did mix it up with the Afro Pinky, so that happened. But no biggie, it's gonna grow back. I'm going to treat it. But here's the final takedown. All done. My hair is all completed. All of the locks are gone, and I am so stoked because I'm tired. Taking out these locks was a hassle, and my hair needs to breathe. I did mention before that I cut my hair somewhere in here. I cut it, but it's in the middle of my hair. It's no big deal. It's fine. It happens sometimes. I have to live with it. But to treat that mistake that I made, I'm going to use rice water. And I know you'll notice that my edges,
I got my edges back.
they are a bit thin, which also happens. So I'm also going to take care of that. And if you would like me to show you how I take care of my shorter piece of my hair and my edges, let me know in the comments below. I'll be glad to make a video about it and take you on this journey on building them back. But if you like this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy my takedown process because I know it takes quite a bit of time. Trust me, I know. And to all of my royalty locks fam, I wish you all the best. I hope this video helped you guys. And if not, your girl tried her best.